Good morning, everybody. Today is finally Jenny and I's first official camp trip of the 2025 season. We've been kind of planning to go for the last couple of weeks, and Alaska has decided to dump snow on us each time. So it's crazy. Alaska didn't have much snow, at least in South Central, for like 4 months, and then as soon as we wanted to go camping, boom. But that's just how it goes. So we are hooked up here at the storage, and we're going to hit the road and head to Cooper Landing, Alaska, to a campground called Quartz Creek Campground. It's right on Kenai Lake, absolutely beautiful. So we're going to spend the next 3 days there making good food, hanging out with some beautiful views. It is going to be rainy and drizzly and windy, but I don't know, sometimes it makes it even cooler. So let's hit the road and make our way out to Cooper Landing. Well, change of plans. It is breezier than we were expected here, blowing sideways rain. So we don't mind the rain. It's actually kind of cool sometimes hearing the rain on the top of the camper, but when it's this windy, it doesn't make it as fun. So we're gonna head to Seward and camp along the water on Resurrection Bay, which is another awesome place to go. So hitting the road again, and we'll be back with you when we get to Seward. Pulling forward, tell me when.
Okay, go ahead.
Back.
Yep.
All right.
Stop.
Right there?
Yeah, let me check the... Ow! God. Now you're way high on this side.
Oh, really?
Man, stop. Oh, keep doing that.
What's going on?
It's still high on this side, but I keep hitting my head on the handle.
All right, we are finally set up and hunkered down for the night. Sorry I didn't film much. It was pouring down rain and absolutely miserable when we were setting up. So we're gonna call it a night, sit down, watch some movies and relax and hit the bed, and then we'll see you in the morning.
Good morning. It is day 2 here in Seward, and we didn't exactly get the best night's sleep. It was actually really windy.
It was very windy.
It was supposed to be less windy here, than in Cooper Landing.
It was bad. There was stuff slapping against the trailer, and the vent covers were flapping, and made for a long night with very little sleep. I think we figured out what was making all that noise. That'll keep you up in the wind.
Because we didn't get much sleep, we're actually going to head off and get some coffee before we go to the Alaska Sea Life Center, which I'm really excited about because they have puffins and they're my favorite.
I brought my camera with the 70 to 200, and I'm actually going to see if I can get a couple cool pictures while we're there. So off to get some coffee in the Sea Life Center.
Let's go.
Can I get a 12-ounce mocha with skim and hazelnut and a 24-ounce iced latte? Perfect, thank you very much.
Set you free so you can go to the puffins right away.
Awesome.
Let me know if you guys need anything.
Thank you.
Thank you. We love the Alaska Sea Life Center and try to visit as often as we can when we come to Seward. It's just a little over 2 hours south of Anchorage, so it could easily be included on any day trip. While fishing, checking out some of the cool little shops and taking a tour of Resurrection Bay are some of the fun things that people do here. The Sea Life Center is a great place for everyone to learn about the amazing life under the sea. Perfect for all ages, especially to get out of the rain, which is quite common in this coastal town. The Sea Life Center offers so much more than wildlife viewing. It also has a fairly large tide pool exhibit where you get to physically touch anemones, sea cucumbers, sea stars, shrimp, and more. Getting to see all of the marine life is awesome, but I think it's important to point out the great things that this center brings to the small community here. The Sea Life Center is very active in science, research, rescue and rehab, and preservation, which is very important for the continued health of the ocean life in Alaska. They offer day and overnight adventures for students and have a great education program. And if you're not able to come to Seward, the Sea Life Center can come to you because they offer distance learning and virtual field trips. The rescue program is mostly funded via private donations, so if that's something you'd like to check out or look to learn more about this special place, we will have a link to their website in the description below. Is it me?
The Highlander restaurant ordered a chicken bacon ranch pizza.
Hi, babe.
Who's a good boy?
Love you.
He's like, I'd let you pet me. Well, that was excellent. We're going to make our way back to the camper now and unwind after a long day of going to the Sea Life Center and eating food. Wiping me out. Yeah.
I'm ready. With multiple gunshot wounds to his torso, Young had upset many people in his time, and most recently, he'd been on the run from the law after cheating. So we figured out who the murderer was, but we're not going to tell you guys because I don't want to spoil it just in case you want to do it. Justin and I do these cryptic killer games. We've done quite a few, actually, And we have another one around here that's a little bit different, which looks kind of fun. Anywho, we're not sponsored because like our fabulousness has not reached the masses enough yet, probably. But if you want to sponsor, I like doing these. Just putting that out there. Anyways, thanks.
Good morning, everybody. Much better sleep last night. The wind died down. The rain kind of trickled on the top of the camper, put us to sleep, and it was nice. Finally, whole entire night, made it all the way through without waking up. So we're gonna start getting ready for today. Have some more coffee as usual, and then got a couple things fun planned today. So yeah, it's time to start getting woke up for the day and ready for it. All right, on the lunch menu today is a ribeye over the fire on a cast iron, which is going to be oh so good. Butter basted with shallots, garlic, rosemary, butter. Well, I already listed butter, didn't I? And a nice mushroom pan sauce. It's going to be delightful. And then after that, I'm going to saute some asparagus right on that same cast iron pan and the juices of the steak. It's going to be a fancy, fancy lunch right here on Resurrection Bay. So just waiting for the fire to get started up so we can start cooking. All right, there's a nice mushroom steak sauce. It's got red cooking wine, beef stock, butter, shallot, garlic, mushrooms, and a lot of love. All right, lunch is served. Look at that. That'll be a good skipper. Hopefully after this, if the kite festival's going on, we're gonna go over there and take a look at that. It's live music, food, which we're eating already, so, and kites. Saw somewhere it was supposed to start at 4. I saw somewhere else it's supposed to start at 6. We don't see anything even set up, and it said the booths were going to be set up at noon, so who knows, maybe it was canceled, but we'll find out here in a little bit. Well, if you're still watching up to this point, congratulations. We're just starting out with this too, so if this is something that you like watching and you want to see more, please be sure to subscribe and hit the like button and notification bell. It really helps a lot because we're a small channel that's just starting out here. So got a lot of videos ahead of camping throughout Alaska, RVing, fishing, hiking, and everything else. So again, if that's the type of stuff you like to see, hit the subscribe button. Also, if there's something in Alaska that you would like to see, drop a comment below, and if it's something within reason that we're able to do, it'd be awesome to add it to one of our videos coming up. Barbecue chicken breast and skewers for dinner. All right, we're gonna walk down and take a look at this kite festival and see what it's all about. Man, that is beautiful.
Thanks.
All right, wasn't a whole lot going on there, but it just started today. It's pretty early. It's Friday, and it's going to be going for 2 days. So Saturday probably be a lot more action. But we are leaving, unfortunately, on Saturday and won't be able to make it. But you can tell it's probably a pretty cool thing. They haven't flown any kites yet. If you take a look at their website online, it shows all kinds of cool kites. There were some whale kites and different shaped ones, big kites. So pretty neat. Maybe we'll catch it next time or next year, but it's what it is. All right, guys, so we had a fun day. Got to go to the beach, go walk the docks, made a ribeye over the fire, barbecued chicken for dinner. So I think we're going to go ahead and check in for the night, kind of hang out and call it a day. We'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everybody. This morning is our last morning here in Seward, unfortunately. We just got ourselves some coffee, gonna hook up the trailer and head back home. Thank you for sticking along up to this point. And again, if this is something you like watching, please be sure to subscribe because there's a lot more to come.